Guess what? It is a Gucci double unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Sid. We are back, guys. We are back with a double unboxing. Yes, we are back. Yay! With a double unboxing, guys. Guess what? It is a Gucci double unboxing. Babe just tried to surprise me, but you girls and guys know, you Gucci lovers know, we know the packages when they come in the mail. So one, I know for sure that's what I told Babe. It was on my wish list and I wanted it for my anniversary. But we ordered it early because I didn't want it to sell out. And I have to open it because I have to try it on to make sure it fits. But then I got package number 2 in the mail 3 days later. And I have no idea what it is, but I know it's a Gucci box. And Babe said, you're going to be so disappointed when you open this box because it's not Gucci. But I'm sorry to bust your bubble, Babe, but
I know the Gucci boxes when they come.
I just know. So we're going to get right into this unboxing because I'm dying to know what it is. I think I know what it is. He's saying that I'm wrong, but I know I'm right. So we're just going to unbox the first package that came in the mail. Now, if you've been ordering from Gucci, you already know how it comes. I can see the green in here. He's telling me that I'm going to be so disappointed because it's not Gucci. And we all know these pull tabs. We all know. So, babe, I'm sorry. Let's just get it open. If that's not Gucci, then what is it? It's like somebody's gonna be owing me $10. Okay, here it is, guys. Here's some Gucci with the dust bag. Always come with like a little extra dust bag. Just super cute. And here is like the thank you for shopping with us at Gucci.com. They ordered this online. And I may be wrong. I thought it was a pair of sandals, but the size of this box, I don't think it's sandals. So let's get a cute little thumbnail. Okay. Let's see what this is, guys, because this is truly a surprise. Like I said, I know it's in the other box, but this, I have no idea what this is. Let's see. Get the ribbon off. And let's just unbox this together because this is a surprise for me as well. I have no idea what it is. I'm saying wrapped in paper. Feels like no idea. Inside of another dust bag. Okay. So guys, I made a bet with Babe that he purchased me the Gucci sandals off my wish list. And this is clearly not the Gucci sandals off my wish list. So I do owe you your $10. So let's just get it open. And it is a denim hat. This is cute. But I don't think this is the same color of the jacket that I wanted, but it's cute. It's cute though. I don't want to try it all the way on because of I just did my hair. So this is super cute, babe. Thanks. This was very unexpected. Super, super cute. You know I love me some baseball caps. What size is this one? I guess a medium. There's an M in it, but it doesn't have. So I thought Gucci had something about like 46, 48. This ain't medium, but I think I need a large. So I might have to exchange that for a large. I have to check my other hats. I don't remember what size it is. All right. That was a quick little unboxing. Super cute. All right, let's get to box number 2. I'm super excited for this box. And if you watch my wish list, you know what it is because I said it was at the top of my wish list. And if you haven't watched it, I will link it right here. Go and check it out and then come back and finish watching this video. It comes in this really big box with the famous pull tab. Let's see if I can get it. No, ripping already. Here we go. Pull tab is falling apart on you, girl. Down to the nitty-gritty. All right. Here is the green box. Y'all see I tried to match my little green shirt with the green box. It came with a little Gucci Bloom perfume sample. Smells so good. You can just peel the back off and smell it. Here it is. And then another sample of Gucci Guilty. I think the Gucci Guilty is for men. And then thank you card, another thank you card. Thank you for shopping with us at Gucci.com. This was definitely ordered online because I have not had time to go to the Gucci boutique. And comes with a huge dust bag or shopper bag. And comes with its own garment bag. Comes in its own garment bag. And we love a Gucci garment bag. So let's just get this open and try it on. So I'm pretty sure you already know what it is because y'all watch my wish list. So y'all know that I was saying how bad I wanted this denim Gucci jacket. And I know spring is right around the corner. So I was not playing any games. Because, you know, ready to wear sells out way faster than the bag. And when you like stuff like this, you have to jump on it. And here it is. It is super cute. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. It has a yellow tint to it that I didn't expect. I thought it was a little bit more blue, but that is okay because look at it. Look how gorgeous this is. Look how gorgeous this is. So I'm actually going to try this on real quick right here in this video while you guys are here. This denim is very heavy too. When I first seen the denim, the Gucci denim jeans, I fell in love with the jeans, but my thigh and waist ratio I know I'm not gonna be able to fit the jeans, so I said I'll settle for the denim jacket. It is a lot more yellow in this jacket than, I don't know if it's coming off to you guys where you can see it's like yellow tints in it, but I still like it. Let's see how it fits. Let's see if it's given what it's supposed to be given. Oh, the sleeves are a little short, but maybe should I go oversized? I don't know. Do I want it oversized? Do I want to roll the sleeves up? I wanted to give you guys a close-up of the quality of the denim and how the Gucci logos is stitched in the denim. Oh my goodness, look at the inside. Can you see that? Look how beautiful that is. This is so beautiful. And how it's all stitched in there. I love it. Okay guys, that is it for the quick little double Gucci unboxing. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you like my jacket as much as I do. I love it so much. I will be rocking this very often. I like it with the sleeves rolled up, the sleeves rolled down. They fit pretty good too. I thought the sleeves were going to be too long, but they're just perfect. So this is definitely going to be my spring and summer denim jacket. Like I said, I am really loving it. And it is cozy. And like I said, the denim on it is super duper heavy. And I love it. This will be in my collection forever. Yes, I just love it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're new here and you like content like this, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button and bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Until the next time, Syd signing off. Peace. And I will be checking stuff off the wish list. Checking it off the wish list.